Hey everyone, I'm here today to dive into the fascinating world of Relational Database Management Systems, or RDBMs for short. Let's unlock the secrets behind how businesses manage massive amounts of data so effectively. First off, at the heart of any RDBMs is the database table. Imagine a table as a neat spreadsheet with columns and rows. Each column in a database table represents a different category of data. For instance, if we're dealing with a table for customer information, the columns could be things like customer ID, name, and contact details. Now the rows in the table, they represent individual records. Each row would be a specific customer's complete set of information according to the columns. So one row might have ID number 001, name John Doe, and his phone number. It's how data is organized neatly and efficiently. But what makes RDBMS truly powerful is how these tables relate to one another. Let's say we have another table for orders. Each order has its own ID, the customer ID of the person who made the order, and details about the product ordered. With RDBMs, you can link the customer table to the orders table using the customer ID. This relational aspect allows businesses to extract comprehensive data about a customer's purchasing history with just a few queries. Speaking of queries, that's the tool used to communicate with the database. By using a language called SQL, or Structured Query Language, you can ask the database complex questions like, which customers have placed more than 5 orders? Or, which product is the most popular? And get answers in real time. It's not just about storing data, though. RDBMs also ensures that the data is consistent, secure, and robust against errors. Whether it's a small business or a large enterprise, these systems are crucial for handling data effectively. And there you have it, a snapshot into the powerful, organized world of relational database management systems. If you found this peek into RDBMS interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep digging into those data secrets.